Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to turn off subtitle on your ITVX. Now if you want to turn on subtitle on your ITVX but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to turn off the subtitle on your ITVX, make sure that you have downloaded the ITVX app on your device. So if you have not downloaded, you may also turn it off from web browser if you are watching it from web browser. So if you are watching it from your device or your phone, then you need to simply open the ITVX app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after login, this is the home page where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So now if you want to turn off the subtitles, then you need to simply select the show which you're watching. So let's see, I'll select on the option of the original, and after that I need to click on the option of watch now for now. So currently I have not signed in, so after signing you will see the option of CC or subtitles. So you need to tap on it and you need to choose on the option of off to disable the subtitle. So after doing that, you will be able to watch the show or series, any kind of thing which you are watching without any error or without any issue on a device. So thank you for watching the video. That's how you can turn off subtitle on ITVX. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.